Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add footer or a slide, a footer or header to a slide. So let's go and do that. Now go here into the insert and then you will select header and footer right here at the end. Click on it and you will see that window will appear. Now here we have check date and time if needed. So you have fixed or variable if you need it. So check footer and type your desired text in the text box. So let's go like that. Now you can also check slide number if you want automatic numbering, and check do not show on the first slide to exclude the title slide. And when you are done with that, just click apply to all like that. And as you can see, we have here now the footer in our slides. Now how we can customize footer appearance? It will be like that we go here to view and then master slide, just master slide right here. Now click here to the placeholder of footer, and now you can resize it or move it to a different location on the master slide. You can insert pictures or text object directly onto the master slide if you want. You can also on the right side here change the font of the footer, so we can go and try that one. Yes, like that. You can play around with that. When you are done, just go here to the top, close master view right here, and now you can see that we have changed the text of our footer in the master view. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.